Welcome to our mobile H2O problem water series video. This video depicts our Econo Series 16,000 grain water softener. Water softener is complete with stainless steel handle and lead-free brass fittings and a salt port. I'm demonstrating the salt port. You can remove the port to add salt to your water softener when you're regenerating. You do not have to take off the head. You do not have to risk damaging to the head or tank threads by taking off the head. This port seals against an O-ring, and it is simple to install, but be careful. If you use a wrench, be gentle. What I'm demonstrating here is our inlet female connection. You will connect from the spigot to this connection at the RV park. There's a gasket that you would seal the hose male connection against. Now I'm removing the male outlet where you would then connect your female hose connection and then connect the male at the RV, at your RV. This inlet, that's the inlet, and the outlet's obviously the other side. This unit has a stainless steel handle, easy to carry around. It weighs about 30 pounds, 35 pounds without water in it. If you add water, it adds another 10 or so pounds. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your business. Give us a call if you need help or would like to have further clarification. Again, thank you very much.